Good morning, students. Today I will explain you the poem The Cold Within. It is written by James Patrick Kinney. He is an American poet, and in this poem he has mentioned about a tragic death of a group of 6 persons, and each one is having a log of wood in their hands. All are having selfishness, prejudice, and malice. All die holding a log of wood. We are lost if we discriminate on the grounds of race, religion, caste, gender, and ethnicity. Now let me explain you the poem stanza wise. 6 humans trapped by happenstance. It means 6 humans get trapped by chance in a very bitter cold, and they were sitting near a dying fire. First person was a woman, and she did not want to save the black man due to her racial prejudice. And second person was a man. He did not help a man of another religion because he suffered from intolerance. Third person was a poor man. He was in tattered clothes, means torn out clothes, and he was full of bitterness and envy for the rich. Next comes the fourth person. He was a rich man. He did not want to give money to the lazy poor. He showed his greed and stinginess. Next comes the fifth person, and he was a black man. He did not want to help the white people. He suffered from the vice of spite. Last person in the group was a man. He lacked generosity. He did nothing except for gain. And he did just like the other persons. They also didn't give their log of wood, so he also didn't give his log of wood to put it in the dying fire. Fire extinguished and all the person died. They died because they were too selfish to help others. No one had renounced sinning, being unkind for one or other reason. So theme of this poem is the cold within. Prejudice may relate to race, color, caste, religion. This makes us mean, stingy, selfish, greedy, or unkind. And second theme is holding on to sins. Leading a life of sins. Sin is represented by the log of wood in each hand. They died with their sins in their minds. Thanks. Let me assign you the homework. You have to read the poem from the book, and then you have to go through that workbook also. Introduction part, theme is given in detail, and after that you have to write out find out the answers from the workbook also you can get, from the book also you will get, and then write down in the workbook. And one thing more, theme you have to write on notebook. Thanks.